guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and today we have another installation. First off, I've had some suggestions that I don't say my names at the beginning of my videos. I really think it wasn't necessary, and from what I'm doing, I'm just working on my car. I'm not doing a blog about myself, whatever. So, but anyways, here we go. I'm Abdul Hamid, and you guys are watching Bmw on a Budget. And first off, today we have an installation video. I got new shocks for the car, which I'm gonna replace in a moment. Now the main reason about these shocks is because, let me try and see if you can get this on camera. Yeah, that wheel is not sitting right. It's not supposed to be sitting like that. It's supposed to be straight, and it's bent in, and that's because of a bad shock, which I'll try to replace right now. However, I know you guys want to see this wheels on the car. I want to see this wheels on the car more than anyone, to be honest. Look at this right here. These are the new wheels. They look so good. These are so silver. I haven't had a chance to do anything really. Recently I've been really occupied with school because I'm almost done, and I'm doing my project currently, and it's taking pretty much all of my time. All of my time. I wanted to release a video last week. I couldn't because I had so much stuff to do, and this week I did most of what I need to do, so I have a bit of time before the weekend. And so today I wanted to just try and install this shocks before I install the wheels. Mainly, the main reason I really want to install the shocks is because I don't want to have problems when I install the tires. When I had them previously on the car, the silver ones, it was rubbing a bit because the shocks were bad. So I said, before I put this ones, I'm gonna put new shocks, and also I'm gonna do alignment, because the last time when I had a little accident and I broke the wheels, the car's alignment is actually off now, so I need to fix that. I just want to do everything perfect and be done with it once and for all. That's why I'm taking it step by step. I'm not rushing anything. So today I'm gonna put the shocks on, and then I'm thinking of putting the wheels, but then at the same time, if I put the wheels, when I want to plastic dip them, I'll still have to take them off and do it. So I was just thinking I'd put the shocks today, leave the stock wheels on, and then on Saturday, which is in 2 days, I'm gonna plastic dip those wheels, and then I'm gonna put them on the car, and then I'm gonna align it, and that will be it. I'll be done with wheels on this car for a long time because, to be honest with you guys, I've been buying a lot of tires recently, and let me show you this. I don't know if you guys see this. Do you see how badly my tire is gone right here? That's because of lack of alignment, and also the shocks are bad. You see the car, you see the wheel, it's kind of bent towards this one and that one. Even that tire, I didn't even notice, it's gone. You can literally see the tread, it's gone. So I'm gonna put the new shocks today. First off, I'm gonna have to take this off, which I already took the courtesy of doing. I tried to get everything because my trunk was full of shit. And then right here, you have to take all this stuff up. And then I'm gonna loosen up this, and then the shock is gonna drop down. Loosen it up, same here. But then I'm gonna have to use 2 jacks today because I'm gonna need one to hold up. It's quite hard to film, to show you guys most of it. But when I'm actually installing it, I'll try to explain some of it. Anyways. Look at this. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. But I need toolbox. This has truly got everything. I mean, everything I need to work on this car. Even if not everything, at least what I can work on. So we're gonna use it for the first time. Look at that, everything's brand new. Alright, so right now I'm gonna have to unbolt is 2 bolts, this one and the other one behind it, not the one at the center. And drop it down. I'm gonna try and do that right now. I don't know, guys. This is a pretty one. It's quite tough to crack this, so I'm gonna spray this a little bit on there to suck in for a bit to balloon open. It turns out I was going in the wrong direction. This did help though. It did help. Finally, this from the paint. Finally, guys, we got the shocks. Look at this. It's 3 ton. This is rock solid. I swear, it's useless. Well, we got a new one. Now I'm gonna have to take this off. Well, it is what it is. Put them on. Well, the shocks are the same height. Okay, this is my first time doing this, so I don't know if I'm supposed to use this same thing. I don't know, I'm just gonna do it as I see fit, so I'm probably gonna have to use the same thing again. I'm gonna have to transfer this onto this. So let's take this off. I absolutely have no idea how you take this off because it moves. The whole thing moves when I try to unscrew it. I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna figure it out either way. Alright, so after a couple of tries, I was able to get the one on this, the one on the Kaale, using a mixture of this and this. However, this one though, this one still is a headache. I'm gonna keep trying. Okay, finally, I'm able to get all of them off now. Alright, finally, that bolt came off. So I'm gonna transfer this. I wish I could buy new ones. If I knew how this was, I would buy new ones. This damp, whatever it's called, I would have looked for them and bought new ones and install them on the new shocks. But anyway, since we don't have new ones, I'm gonna have to transfer this ones here right now, and then I'm gonna do likewise, take out the shock on that side, put the new shock. Is this for here? Is this for here? Only God knows what. I honestly don't know a lot of this stuff. This is new, and I think it goes here. Is this think we got this side right. Now I'm gonna put it back. Now I'm just gonna couple everything back together. Gonna tighten this, then come on up here and we'll come on down here and tighten that one too, and then we're done with the shock on this side. Finally this side is in. Everything is back together on this side. Now I'm just gonna put back the wheel, and then I'm gonna go do the same for that side. So I'm done with everything on this side. Finally, I'm gonna move on to the other side, and then when I'm done, I'm gonna move around, and then we're gonna see what the ride height will be with the new shocks. Alright, this toolbox just looks good, man. Finally, after about 2 hours, everything is back in place. But check that out now. That's at S7. Yeah, everything is back in place. New shocks. This is kind of the way it should be. I'm gonna pack up my toolbox now and let's go for a drive. Alright, everything looks good. It drives better. Now we have one less thing to do, which is this wheels. A lot of you guys have been asking about these wheels. Well, I still haven't put them on the car. I had to replace the shocks, which I just did. Now onto the wheels. I'm gonna wash them today and get them ready for the plastic dip, which I'll do on Saturday. And then when I do that, after the plastic dip on Saturday, I'm gonna put them on the car, and then I'm gonna do alignment, and then that will be it. I'll be done with the stance of the car, the wheels and everything. Hopefully I won't have to buy tires anytime soon, because these tires right here, this federal, what is it called? Federal Evolution. See it right there, federal. They are in chip. They are in chip, and I bought a set. They're really thick. They're meaty. I don't know if you can see that. They're really huge. Look at that. I mean, the wheels aren't perfect right now, but they look clean. I'm gonna wash them again one more time, and then yeah, I'm gonna keep them because I'm not gonna install them today. Obviously, I have a class later on, so I'm gonna install them on Saturday after plastic dip them to match all this gunmetal grade right here. Gunmetal grade. This specific one. This one's currently silver with the chrome. I don't even know what you call this, chrome liner or whatever. It's a bit dirty, but I'm gonna wash it again with the chrome liner. That's what I'm gonna do, and then I guess that's it, guys. Anyways, that will be the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.